My name is Samyak Jain. I'm from DS 4200. I'm taking DS 4200 at Northeastern University. For this visualization, I've said what's the best type of Pokemon to beat all of the type of Pokemon. I've taken the data from Kaggle. Uh, um, the visualization below depicts the difference between HP and total, and the other visualization depicts the type of Pokemon and their count. I've also used generations to color code different types of generation and legendary to size difference to denote whether a Pokemon is legendary or not. We can see that as we scroll to the couple of outliers in HP, we see that both the highest total HP Pokemon are normal type Pokemon, whereas if we scroll down to the highest total, we see Dragon type Pokemon are the most has have the highest total. So overall, most of these Pokemon, the the outliers with the most total are usually Dragon type Pokemon, and Dragon type Pokemon are usually legendary Pokemon, and they are also from generation two, generation from 3 and 5. Most of these Pokemon are from generation 3 and 5. For data analysis, I have done possible insights. For Pokemon, better HP means better stats for Pokemon in battle. Task 1 would be to compare the HP and total stats of Pokemon by grouping them based on generation. Second, the legendary type are usually dragon type Pokemon have the HP greater than 200 but total greater than 500. For task 2, I have compared the HP and total stats of Pokemon and then counting the legendary type with the type count of type of Pokemon. For the third one, legendary Pokemon have best stats with total greater than 600 and HP greater than 200. Compare the legendary and the non-legendary Pokemon with their HP and total stats. I'm pursuing task 2. The main task would be to compare the HP and total stats of Pokemon and then counting the legendary type with the count of type of Pokemon. For secondary task to see which type of Pokemon from which generation is the best. Target audience would definitely be Pokemon trainers in the online community with who fight in Pokemon Go or the Pokemon games. For abstraction, I've used name, HP, and total, which are name is which is nominal, HP which is quantitative and sequential, whereas total is also quantitative and sequential. Data type is stable. The items are Pokemon name. Attributes are quantitative, HP, and defense. Why I've used this to analyze consume and produce. I've used it to consume different types of Pokemon with the highest base stats and also their HP, and to produce the count of Pokemon from different types of type to compare their overall count while checking specific Pokemon HP and total criteria. How I've done is encode, align, color, select, and navigate. I've used marks, points as marks, and vertical and horizontal position as channels. For the Wiz 2, I've also used bars as marks and magnitude channels representing the channels. Uh, Data processing. For data processing, I've used John Guerre's Navio to simplify the data and to differentiate the data columns. And it has helped me in definitely processing the data in an easier way and showing the relevant information in a more pleasing way. Thank you.